Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Booshae, guys. What up, man? What up? What up? What I do? I know y'all people done been low key waiting on me to react to another BTS video, but look, man, I got you. I got you, man. Now, look, guys, I got a laptop. I mean, I've been this week. I've been trying to like hook up a little webcam to see like what I can do and all that. The webcam, honestly, can't turn on that. But anyway, guys, look, man, hey, man, bro. I am reacting to another BTS video, guys, and I seen on the other video, y'all wanted. I seen in the comments that y'all really wanted Airplane Part 2, and I heard that's one of their best songs. So honestly, guys, heads up, look, come closer. Look, guys, I'm not even judging this video if this video is if they don't speak English or not. That I'm past the fact on that, but I am gonna get into how they create the video. I mean, they made the music and stuff, not the video. But guys, we finna get into this, man. I hope this video is actually good, man. I never watched this. I never watched or heard Airplane Mode Part 2. I'm guessing there is Part 1, but I think probably after this video or whatever, we're probably gonna react to Part 1, most likely. So guys, look, you already know, hit the subscribe button when you get a chance, and like, subscribe. Make sure you like the video, man. So guys, I'm gonna give my honest opinion about this song. If it's not good, it's not good, but if it's alright, it's alright. So guys, we're gonna get to it. I think this is the one with the lyrics, so yeah. But I like that music at the beginning. Oh, I see they got lyrics on the bottom. I'm gonna try to read this. Wait, rapping in this part? But he must be the rapper. What is it? What is he? GM or whatever? He must be rapping in this. I like how his voice is like kind of deep than all the others. Like, you know what I mean? But, you know. Okay. What? Okay. But I like the rhythm in the song, honestly. I really do. J-Hope. Oh, there's another rapper in here. What? Bro, honestly, this beat is dope. Like, I like the music in the background, bro. That jump fire. Okay. Dude, the music that he put in here, bro, I can give him that. The music that the beats. That'd be fire. Okay. Wait, is that nearly about to end? Ah, it's ending soon, bro? Honestly, I wish that song was a little bit longer. Thanks for watching, man. Thank you for showing me this video. What? Bruh. Bruh. Guys. This song lit. I can give you that, guys. This song is lit right here. I like how the person, whoever uploaded this video had the lyrics for the English on the bottom, man. Like, I like the music, bro. The music that they put into that song, man. Most likely, guys, I think I'm gonna have to get more into some BTS, man. I might actually like look up their first song or whatever. But yeah, I'm getting more into some of these. What did Jin, Suga, Hope, RM, Jim, and V? Bro, y'all did an amazing job, bro. Honestly, if I give a rating to this song 1 to 10, guys. To be honest with you, I'm gonna give you an 8, bro. I'm gonna give this song an 8 because this song is dope. So I got past it's not English part or whatever. It doesn't even matter. It's about how they create the music. So I give it an 8. I wish there was a video or anything, like a music video. Hopefully they'll do a music video to the song soon or whatever. I mean, but there is one. Tell me where it's at or something. Yeah, man, I like that song. Guys, I'm gonna show you my favorite part. Bruh, that's my favorite part, man. I'm gonna give that. That's my favorite part of the song. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, man. Like and subscribe my channel, guys. If you enjoyed that video, man, comment down another song that I'll most likely react to. I think I'm gonna react to the Airplane Part 1, I think, because I kind of just skipped the Part 2, so I might as well look at Part 1. But guys, name another song, or guys, comment down their first song for me to react to, because I don't know it, and looking it up is, I'm too lazy. But most likely I'm gonna look it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and all that, man, because I personally did enjoy this video. Like, I enjoy their music, honestly. That Airplane Mode, like I said, I'm gonna give that an 8. But guys, look, I need y'all to do a favor, man. If you like this video, if you enjoy me just react to some BTS, man, you already know, leave a like. Leave a like, guys. Just leave one. Just leave one, man. And guys, if y'all are interested of just staying on my channel, man, you already know, hit that subscribe button. You already know it, man. You already know it. But if you don't know my name, guys, my YouTube name, you should know by now. It's Booshae, or it's Random Booshae down there. It's like Bobby Booshae. But if you want to follow me in any of my social media, like and subscribe, man. You already know. Follow me on some of my social media, bro. If you want to follow me, man, that would be dope. But guys, we're gonna make this year best. We're gonna make this school year one of the good school years, man. We're gonna be ready to that. We're gonna be hitting them videos up. Anyways, your boy Booshae, man. Hope you enjoyed this video, man. Like and subscribe, man.